The past forms for transitive isan, which indicate the third-person plural direct object, are relative to the singular forms, just as the past tense singular forms are relative to the present tense singular forms. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Since this is the past tense, we have our subject in the front of the verb as a prefix. N, Z, G, Z, Z, Z. We don't have a third-person direct object letter in these forms, but we do have a direct object plural marker to let us know that we are referring to them. This marker is it, eat. For the we, you, and you all forms, eat comes after the en infix. Nit, sit, genit, senit, senit, sit. We add our letter u. Nitu, situ, genitu, senitu, senitu, situ. Now Basque wants to add something like an extra pluralizer to the last two forms, you all and they. This would be the infix te, but Basque doesn't seem to appreciate the form tute, so we stick a z before the te and make it stay. Nitu, situ, genitu, senitu, senitu ste, situ ste. And lastly, we add en, or just n for the last two forms, because we know this is the past tense. Nituen, situen, genituen, senituen, senitusten, situsten. Got it? Maybe not. That's okay. These are definitely confusing forms. There are a lot of z's and its and ens. The best way to remember these is just to practice and try to remember the breakdown, if that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Agur!